let's make you a medical kit, Phoebe, so you have all the tools you need.
Awesome sauce! Welcome to the Fizzy Show! I'm gonna go on the swings. And I'm gonna go on the slide. That dog sounds upset. He sure does. Oh, let's follow these paw prints and find him. Let's take poor Dizzy to the pet vet. Fizzy, whizzy, bo, busy, bop. I can help him. Miss Hands, we need a hand.
Hey everyone, it's me, Miss Hands. Hi, Fizzy and Phoebe.
Miss Hands, we have a Dizzy pup. Woof. Woof, woof, woof. Woof. You see, I'm going to help. I will need an X-ray machine, the stethoscope, the thermometer, and the magnifying glass. Wait, Phoebe. I think it's a good idea if we learn each step to being a pet vet before we help the pup. How? Yay, play-doh! We can teach you by crafting our own medical kit. What's first? What's first?
Today, we're going to make 6 items out of Play-Doh, and the first one is how we get the animals here. Now, when anyone needs to go to the hospital quickly, they send an ambulance to go pick them up. So we're going to start with our white clay here, and we're going to make the basic ambulance shape. Here we go. With my little roller. Let's flatten our white clay out. Now I'm going to take a ruler to straighten my edges up. There we go. So now we have our rectangular shape. We can use our red clay to create the ambulance signs.
Why do they have red signs? So everyone knows it's an ambulance.
And then we can roll out this small piece of red clay to make the ambulance siren. There we go. And that sits just there. Oops! We better mute that siren for now. And now to make the window. So let's add the finishing touches now.
That's one item done. And that is how the animals get to us, in an ambulance.
And once the animals get to us, can you remember what we do, Phoebe?
We check them over.
That's right. So we need to make a magnifying glass.
Cool.
And first, we need to flatten out our clay. Ruff. Oh, thank you, Dizzy. That's perfect. Now we need to make the handle and the frame. Oh, Dizzy, your dog bowl? That's not quite the right shape. Let's take our blue clay and roll out a long piece for the frame. There we go, and next the handle. And we just shape it like this. And we press it onto our magnifying glass. There we go, perfect.
We have 2 items. This looks so good. Can we try it, Miss Hands?
Of course you can.
This pup still seems to be really dizzy. What can we do?
I think he needs another medical check.
We need more tools. Let's make them.
Sounds great. Let's do it. Let's make you a medical kit, Phoebe, so you have all the tools you need.
Awesome sauce. That'll be number 3.
And here we're going to roll out our little handle for the top. And we need a little bit of red for the cross on the front. It's nice and squishy to do it with your fingers. I like this.
I love it. We need something to put in our medical kit. Lots of doctors have band-aids.
Good idea, Phoebe. Let's make a band-aid. Let's take a piece of our brown clay here. Here we go. Straighten up the edges like that. Now, a band-aid helps us when we might have a cut or a graze. It just protects us while it's trying to heal. And now for the bit in the middle. That goes in the middle like that. And I'm going to take my little paintbrush here, see that? And make some air holes here so the skin can breathe. There we go.
This looks really good, Miss Hands. Item number 4 is done.
Why, thank you, Fizzy. Let's see what we've made so far. We have our ambulance, number 1. Our magnifying glass, number 2. The medical kit, number 3. And the Band-Aid, number 4.
Miss Hands, we need a stethoscope and a thermometer I think that'll be enough, Phoebe. And Dizzy can have a nice rest while we make them.
Okay, a stethoscope. Now, which color should we use? Let me think, pink. Okay, this is Phoebe's favorite color. And we're gonna have to roll a really long sausage shape. Here we go. Wow, look at that. So long it's going off the board. And this piece we are going to attach here. And we're going to take another piece of paint and we're going to make the little part that you listen to the heart with. And squish it down. Let's move that over a bit. And this piece goes on this end here. Now, I think we'll use some green. because we've got to make those little tiny earbuds that you put in your ear and listen to. And these go on just here. And the other one here. So these go in your ears. And finally, we need one more circle. And squish it. And that goes right there. Press that down.
Whoa, that is a good heart rate. Number 5 is finished.
Now let's double check his temperature. And this goes at the bottom here. And we're going to add some red. And then we have a thermometer. Okay, let's take Dizzy's temperature.
Look, it says healthy. Number 6 is finished. Aw, thanks, Dizzy. I'm so glad you're happy. I wouldn't spin around too much, Dizzy. You might get dizzy again.
Well done, Fizzy and Phoebe. Look at all our items.
Learning how to be a pet vet was fun. You can definitely help me next time, Phoebe. Awesome sauce! Thanks for watching. We hope you all have a fizzy, fantastic day. We will see you next time.
All together now. Fizzy, Wizzy, Bo Busy Bop.